Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you one of my favorite wigs. Like I've been using this wig for the last like 6 years, and right now I'm just closing the door so you can probably see me better. And I also want to apologize because I have my phone in profile view instead of landscape, and it's a little awkward. So I apologize because I forgot to turn it. But basically, I had my twist. I took the mini twist down and then put them in bigger twists, and I wear that for a while. And then I had to wear a white shirt, and so I was like, well, I don't need Chebe getting all over my white shirt. So I was like, let me plop my Creta Girl wig out. And so all I did was basically put it in a ponytail in the back and leave a little perimeter out in the front, and put the half wig on with the little front comb that it comes with. I just tucked it into a twist and then unraveled my twist pretty much. And every night to maintain it, because I did have to wear it for like 3 days, like not wear my white shirt 3 days, but I did wear the wig for 3 days. So to maintain it at night, I would take the wig off and then just retwist my front perimeter braids or twist that I'm taking down, and then also bantu knot them, so wrap them around itself to keep it curly. And yes, Chebe Powder is still in my hair, and also Chebe Butter is in my hair, and it blends really, really well with this Creta Girl wig. And that's the reason I really love this wig, because I have used it for a long time, and it blends really, really well with natural hair. So this is just me taking down. It's about 3 big chunky twists in the front. And like I said, it blends really well. So I'll let you guys just watch for a little bit. And also, I just wanted to mention too that this wig is really inexpensive, and it can also double as a ponytail. I've never really used it as a ponytail. I always used it as a half wig in the same exact way. Like if I insert pictures of myself from like 6 years ago, I wear my hair the exact same way that I do when I finish this one. But this wig is really inexpensive. It costs like $15, $16. At the most, it will cost you maybe $18, but it's definitely under $20. And for me, it lasts like a long time. I've bought maybe a total of 4 of these wigs over the last 5 years. So it's kind of like a wig a year. And to maintain the wig, because it is a synthetic wig, when it starts to get frizzy, the only part that really gets matted or frizzy for me is, and I was just showing you there that I had Chebe in my hair, but the only part that really gets frizzy or matted for me is the part that is directly on my neck at the nape area. So all I do is go in and like just cut it out with a little bit of scissors, and then I'm good to go. And you can also put some mousse in the wig itself to help maintain it better, but I've never really had a problem with the curls. So here I'm just parting how I want it to lay. I want like a little side part going on instead of a middle part. So I'm just trying to get that together. And for the front area, I did enough to cover the little tip of the wig starting. So I put a little bit of my hair going back that way. And then the other half of the front part that I left out, I kind of just rolled it to make a little fat twist. And I did grab a little bit of the wig hair to twist in with it so it would blend better. And then I bobby pinned it to the back. And I'm going to grab the bobby pins now. And the bobby pins do not hurt my head because they never actually touch my actual hair. I just bobby pin it to the wig itself, because the wig is breathable, so you can definitely attach the bobby pins just to the wig tracks. So I put 2 bobby pins on each side just to make sure it holds. And then also, if you notice, on both sides, I do leave, even though I'm twisting some of it, I leave like a tiny little piece under the section, like right there. So it's not twisted, it's left down just so it'll kind of transition into the wig hair better, and it doesn't look like, oh, well, this hair isn't as shiny and smooth as the rest of the hair, so it's less noticeable that way. So leave a little bit of hair down, like a little curly cue down to blend with it. But basically I just twist the other side. And then you just kind of fluff it out, you know, try to blend it a little bit better if you need to. But honestly, this wig is not a lot of work at all. And you can wear chunky twists in the back, as you can see, without a problem because it's a big wig. But